Question number 3 is totally analogous with question number 1 here. Triangle RST similar to triangle XYZ is given, and that we have to draw also. In RST, we have to draw triangle RST and XYZ such that they are similar. In triangle RST, RS is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Angle S is equal to 40 degree. Segment ST is equal to 5.7 centimeter. Construct triangle RST. Triangle RST similar to triangle XYZ. If these two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportional as well as their corresponding angles are congruent. So I take first corresponding angle, angle RST congruent to angle XYZ. Okay, and the measure of this angle is given here, that is equal to 40 degree, and therefore angle XYZ is nothing but a 40 degree. So this is important. Also, so here RS and XY is given. RS upon XY, which is equal to ST upon YZ, which is equal to RT divided by XZ here. Okay. Now this RS upon XY, this ratio is equal to 3/5. Okay. Now RS is given, that is equal to 4.5. We have to find XY. ST is given here, that is equal to 5.7. We have to find YZ. So here RT is not given, we need not find XZ. Value is equal to 3/5. I write like this here. Therefore 4/5 upon XY is equal to 3/5. It gives XY is equal to 4.5 into 5/3 here. 3. This is equal to 1.5, which is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Also, similarly, we can write 5.7 divided by YZ is equal to 3/5. It gives YZ here. The value of YZ is equal to 5.7 into 5 divided by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are here, which is equal to 5 9.5 centimeter here. Now first of all we draw a triangle RST here. I now take first measure ST is equal to 5.7 centimeter here. So I measure the, so this is nothing but ST. An angle here RST is equal to 40 degree here. So I just take a protractor here, so of 40 degree here. So this is the 40 degree, I write like this here. This is the 40 degree angle here. This angle is nothing but here 40 degree. Now we have to take R to S distance is equal to 4.5 centimeter. I take a distance of 4.5 centimeter in my compass here. Here I put it as a point here. This is nothing but RT here. So this is 4.5 centimeter. So this is 5.7 centimeter. meter distance. Now here we have to draw a similar triangle XYZ here. For that I take a dimension here YZ, that is equal to 9.5 centimeter. Now here this is nothing but a distance of YZ here. This is a Y here, corresponding to Y, here is Z, and this distance is nothing but here 9.5 centimeter. So this is bigger than this ST here. Then I take an angle of 40 degree. I take an angle here, Y is equal to 40 degree. So here, so this is nothing but a 40 degree. Okay. Then we have to find out the length XY here. Y is here, we have to find X is here on this line. So this distance is nothing but is 7.5 centimeter. So I take a distance of 7.5 centimeter in my compass here and then cuts here. This is the 7.5 centimeter distance here. I take here, and this point is nothing but a point X. Joint here X and Z. You will get a triangle XYZ is a required angle here. So here a dimension 7.5 centimeter. You must write each and every dimension, show all the dimension, all the angles here. Otherwise your mark may be cut off. So in this way here, these are the two required similar triangle. So here we have to show this triangle PQR and triangle LTR. So here in this triangle, here PQR and LTR, PQR and triangle LTR. Now this point R is common here, and so that here we can draw a figure having vertex R as a common here, and that's why here we can write like this here. The ratio of the corresponding side PQ and LT is given, that is equal to 3/4. If we consider here the PQ is nothing but 3 part and LT is nothing but a 4 part here. So this is nothing but 1, 2 and 3 part here. Okay. And this is the fourth part here. Total part is nothing but fourth here. This here we can write the ratio PQ divided by LT is equal to 3/4 for each side here. First to draw a line here. Take a point R. R is a point. So this is your Q point, suppose, and this length is equal to 5.4. Then you take 4.8 in your compass and draw an arc here. Then you take 4.2, that is equal to PQ here. P is here. Take Q as a center and it intersects here. Draw an arc which intersects previous arc. Join this point here. Like this. This is R. This much your P here. You can extend the P here because we need to find a point L as well as T here, so that we can extend here. Now draw a ray here through point R with taking a suitable angle here. If we take the angle of 45 degree, it will be better figure to look here like this. And take a 4 part. How many part? 4 part here like that. First part, second, third and fourth part here. First, second, third and fourth part here. Suppose I write here, this is a R1, R2, R3, R4. like this here. Now joint here point Q with the third part here. Draw an angle here, any angle like this here. Now here I have to draw the parallel line here with parallel to this QR3 here, so that here I make the equal angle here. If I draw the equal angle here, this angle is stated as a corresponding angle, and therefore if you already know that if the corresponding angle are congruent, then the lines are parallel, and here we are using the same theorem, property of the corresponding angle here. If the corresponding angles are congruent, because why these are the corresponding angles, if these angles are congruent, therefore line must be parallel here. Now this line intersects the RQ line at point T. This is your T point here. Now we have to draw a parallel line from T. Okay, so for that here we have to take again the same technique here. We just draw a congruent angle here, so that here this angle must be corresponding angle, at this point here, and this point is nothing but your required point L here. Now this is your required triangle PQR and LTR. These are nothing but a similar triangle here. This is your required triangle here. Question number 4. This question and question number 2 are totally analogous here. Triangle AMT similar to triangle AHE. In triangle AMT, AM is equal to 6.3 centimeter. Angle TAM is equal to 50 degree. Means angle A is given here. Here AT is equal to 5.6 centimeter. AM upon AH is equal to 7/5. Construct triangle AHE. AMT similar to triangle AHE. So here all the dimension of AMT is given here. Okay. Now here if you look, the vertex A is common. If the vertex, any of the vertex is common, then we can draw the required similar triangle as we draw in problem number 2. Start from the common vertex A here. We can draw an angle. Suppose it is an angle of 50 degree. We have to suppose that here 50 degree. And here A to T distance is equal to 5.6 distance, and therefore suppose this distance is nothing but, here this is a T, this distance is nothing but 5.6 centimeters. So in this way we can draw a triangle. We draw a triangle AMT. So we just take here we have to take how many part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 part. Fine. Now here suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 part here. So just you join the 7th part first. Okay. And just here we have to draw the 5th part here, and therefore you just draw a parallel line for this here. So draw a parallel here, so that these are parallel line like this, and this point is nothing but here S point, and this is fifth part, and this is a 2 part, that is total 7 part here. And then here again draw a parallel to this line like this. Draw a parallel line so that these angles are same. If these angles are same, this line must be parallel, okay, because E point here 5.6 centimeter. Okay, so this is nothing but here E point here. In this way we can find out AH. Just see the rough figure and draw it. This is A, this is point M here, AM here. Draw an angle A that is equal to 50 degree. This is a 50 degree. Take 5.6 centimeter in your compass here and draw an arc which cuts an angle A at point. This point is nothing but here T here. Okay. Now just join the T and AM. If you join TM, you will get a triangle AMT here. So this dimension is nothing but 6.3 centimeter. This is 5.6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. So this is the length of this A. Now draw an array of suitable angle. Take any suitable radius here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 here. This is first, second, suppose this is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7 here. Just we have joined here 7 point, A7 point with EM point here, EM point with this A point. Suitable angle here, and here also here you can draw a suitable angle from point A7 and point A5 here. You can take here iron point at point A5 as well as A7 here. Draw congruent angle here, so that you have to take this much length here, congruent length, congruent. Draw an arc here like this. So this is a congruency. So then here from A5 to this point here, you just draw the line which intersects AM at this point here. This point is nothing but your EH point. So we draw a corresponding angle actually. If the corresponding angles are congruent, then the lines are parallel. Now here now here just you draw point A and this intersection point here, point of intersection with this point here. Now this is 6.3 centimeter is given. Okay. Now this is your required point E here. In this way here we can draw a triangle AMT similar to triangle AHE here, so that their ratio of their corresponding side should be 7:5.